you all have your breakfast?
Yes, sir.
Fine. And which class you had last time? Math? Okay, fine. Shall we quickly recall what we discussed in the previous classes?
About
Since the first day.
About period
Since the first day, just somebody raise your hand. You want to say? Okay, come on, stand up. What is very good. Microorganisms? Yeah, type of microorganisms. In the type of microorganisms, this bacteria, virus, microorganisms. Algae, fungi, bacteria. Very good. Sit down. Somebody from here. What are the remaining three? Remaining two. Yeah, algae you told. Wait a minute. Sit down. Bacteria also over. I told you about disease causing, malaria causing microorganism and all. What is it? Protozoa. Protozoa, right? Yeah. Any other? What?
Rhizobium.
It is also bacteria. Yeah. After the microorganism, we
Symbiosis.
yeah, symbiosis. Plant microorganism relation we discussed. In that symbiosis and parasitic relation. Yeah, lactobacillus. Very good. We discussed uses of microorganisms. What are the uses? Wait a minute. Any use of microorganism? Do you eat curd? What is it made up of? How it is made? Milk. Lactobacillus added to milk. Right? Sit down. Yeah, stand up. Yeah, very good. Fermentation. Bacteria. Very good. Nitrogen fixation. And for preparing medicines, very good. And very good. Making of food. And very good. Preparing antibiotics. Very good. Vaccines. Yeah. So today we will discuss about. Acha, okay, fine. Did you ever see milk packet? Stored milk packet. What will be written on that? Expiry date will be there. But there will be a special term. Starts with P. No. Pack date will be also. It will also be there and. Okay. On some packets, if you see keenly, there will be a term pasteurized. Did anybody notice? Pasteurized milk. What? Yeah, ingredients will also be there. Manufacture date. Along with all that, on the French page. Yeah. Just after the company name, it will be there. Pasteurized milk. Not for all the milk packets. Only for specific milk packets. Which we can drink directly without heating. And which will be stored for nearly 1 month. If you see normal milk packet, you know. Okay. Very good. Good milk. Yeah, best example, good milk. If you see normal milk packet, it will be expired within 1 week maximum. Even if you store it in cool places. But some pasteurized milk packets will be there. That expiry date nearly stays nearly for 1 or 2 months. What is the difference in these two kind of milk packets? Yeah.
Where chemicals?
Added chemicals. No, not exactly. Very good. Preservatives are added. Yeah, preservatives are added and it was treated in different way so that it won't get spoiled. Is that clear? Okay, what is the treatment? How it was treated to be safe for more days? Okay, did you observe it in your home? What will happen if you leave it like that for 1 day? Yeah, it will be spoiled. It will be spoiled. Yeah, very good. You say all is important. Fine. But if we take case of pasteurized milk, it will be safe for nearly 1 month or 2 months, and it will be packed in a tight covers. I mean tough covers, tougher than normal covers. Did you observe good milk?
Yes,
You know good milk packets, right? That's the example of pasteurized milk. Huh? Yeah, 10 rupees packet. But the quantity will be less. If you compare with normal milk packet, why it will be less? Even if we pay 10 rupees, why they will decrease the quantity?
It will store for 1 month.
No, because they already invested something on it. They already invested. Yeah, in order to keep it packed and keep it safe, they already did something to keep it safe. That's why they can't afford to give more milk. Is that clear? Okay. Right. Pasteurization. Open your textbook. Page number 47. Open your CWs and write pasteurization.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's quickly write what are the differences between normal milk we see in packet and pasteurized milk. Let's write the differences here. Normal milk, normally packed milk, and pasteurized milk. What are the differences?
Pasteurized milk is stored for a long time.
Stored for long time.
They added some chemicals.
Stored for
Long time. Long time.
stored for long time. And what about this?
Not stored for long time.
Can't be stored for long time. Long time. What can be the reason for this? Hmm?
They are using pasteurized milk.
They are using somebody knows, okay. Who knows chemicals? Okay, very good. Stand up. Stand up. Is everybody agree with this?
No.
But they add chemicals to that? No.
Sir.
Okay, your friend is saying they don't store. Okay, stand up. Why do you think they don't add any chemicals?
Because some powder.
Because we drink it. Do you think they add chemicals? Yes? Okay, how do you support your point? He's saying that we will drink, that's why they won't add any chemicals. Isn't that point sensible? What he's saying?
Sir.
No, not for you. Very good, very good. See, your friend is saying, what's your name? Jyotish Kumar, very good. They are not adding any chemicals in that drink because we have to drink it. Even if they add, that will be only those chemicals which can't harm us. Yeah, sit down, sit down. Yeah, you must stand up.
I go to picnic.
Milk fat means they will adding chemicals.
They're adding. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Only those chemicals which can't harm us and which can only play role of keeping it safe. Yeah. So one more difference. This is undergone no treatment and this was treated through pasteurization. What is pasteurization?
Heating.
Heating. Heating, that's it. Even in our home we do that, no? We just heat it for some time.
They will heat for sometimes
They will heat for some time.
30 minutes.
Very
But
good.
we at home we heat for 5 minutes.
Very good, very good. Sit down. Jyotish Kumar, very good. Pasteurization. In this, we should heat at 72 degrees centigrade for
15 to 30 minutes.
how many minutes?
15 to 30 minutes.
30 minutes. And what we will do? We just heat it and pour it into packet. Come on, stand up.
We will use
What we will do? Come on, your friend is suggesting something. Stand up. Will we directly take it into packets and we'll fill and we'll send?
No, sir.
No?
They will take pen and give. Sir. Sir, they will take pen.
Okay, fine. No, preservatives are not added in this process of pasteurization. Okay? The chemicals you are talking about may be added in other processes. But in pasteurization there is no need of adding chemicals. Is that clear, Charan? In pasteurization there is no need of chemicals. They will just heat it at 72 degrees centigrade for how many minutes?
30 minutes.
For 30 minutes. Then what they will do? Of course, they should cool it, right? Then they will chill and pack. What? They will cool it and pack it in packets. Is that clear? That is the process of pasteurization. So, okay, sit down everybody. What do you think the need of storing and packing? What is the importance of storing and packing? Okay, very good. Your friend is saying we should do packing because to avoid contact of insects to the milk, to the food. To avoid insect contact. And any other points?
Start together long
Very
time.
good. Who told that? Good. Insect and dust contact. Any other ideas?
Sir, food must be preserved a long time.
Very good, Emmanuel. Food
Must be
preserved for long time. Why do we preserve it for long time? Because we can't eat it all the food we are having. We should keep it for next day or next day, some of the food. Very good. Sit down. To preserve it for long time. Sit down, Jyotish Kumar. Sit down. And any other importance of storing and packing? No? You don't know?
Sir, food must be not spoiled for that's also given back.
Food?
Must not spoil.
Yeah, very good. To preserve. This is good point, and before we eat it shouldn't spoil, right?
Yeah.
We must avoid it from spoiling. If it gets spoiled, we will be the one who should pay the what cost of that. I mean, if we get ill, huh? Yeah, diseases and all. That's why I already told you food poisoning and all. Caused by Clostridium,
And bad food also.
Clostridium botulinum. Clostridium. So to avoid food poisoning and all, avoid from spoiling. Yeah.
Because of the traveling. For
Traveling.
traveling.
What traveling? Very good. Because of
Traveling.
traveling. Very good point. To make it comfortable for traveling from, I mean, send it from one place to another place. Because you see, we are we getting apples from the trees here? Apples. No, right? For apples, it's not a suitable climate. We need climate which is very cool and all. So, yeah, in summer mangoes. Okay.
In winter,
See, at some places we can't find some of the fruits or some of the eatables. But everybody wants to eat it, right? We want to eat apples, right? So that we are exporting it from Jammu, Himachal and all. And yeah, and we want to, and they want to eat mangoes, right?
Yeah.
We are exporting these to them. So that preserving and packing is very much required. Or else those will get spoiled. Stand up, Tamil. Export. For exporting. Hammer, there a point. What? Yeah. Yeah, it will be the reason for spoiling. Yeah, we already told preserve. Yeah, come on, Hammer. Why do we pack and store food? Very good. For future needs. That's what you are trying to say? Okay, sit down. For future needs. Okay.
Sir, in any season will be not spoiled, sir, when we take it.
What? In?
Any season will be not spoiled.
Yeah, very good. Sit down. See, the same point he is also saying. Sit down. Okay. If 1 year there is some problem like some disasters and all, some climate disasters, and we are unable to grow paddy for us. So what we will do? Everybody will maintain the stores, right? In our home. We will keep last year paddy.
Yeah.
Yeah. In the packets, rice packets. Yeah. Yeah. See, in different seasons they will grow different crops. And they won't eat it at a time. They need it for all the year, right? So that they should preserve it and store it in packets.
Some will, but purchase the markets.
Yeah, some people use markets. What? Yeah, very good. Sit down. Exporting and for making it available for long time, for future. For making it available for future. Everybody write this down. Yeah. Importance of storage and packing. Some of the items they won't mention expiry date because some seeds and all they won't get expired. Okay? If there is some expiry issues, definitely they will write and they should write. That's a rule. Okay, you know consumer rights rules. There is a section called consumer rights. On that they will mention everything. They will give notice to companies, to the factories, that they should mention manufacture date and expiry date both. Is that clear? Sit down. Write down this for making it available for future. Write down all the points. Come on, start. Come on, fast. Make it fast. Only this. Importance of storage and packing. Write down all this. Avoid from spoiling, to preserve, to avoid insect and dust contact, exporting and importing, for making it available for future. And one more point, to ensure quality of food. To ensure, 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 write down, to ensure, next point, to ensure quality of food. Quality of food. To ensure. ENSURE. Ensure quality of food. Somebody give it. Open page number 45. Open your textbook, everyone. Okay, wait. Did you ever listen this news like somebody got so much loss because of prawns diseases and all? In aquatic culturing, did you ever listen this like this person got so much loss because of aquatic diseases in prawns and poultry? Yeah, what? Yeah, sometimes fishes eat plastic and sometimes it gets diseases. Because of that, the diseases get transmitted from one to other so easily. Because they are all living in same pond, right? So it will be very easy for virus or bacteria to spread from one animal to other animal. See, here there are diseases causing microorganisms in animals. Page number 45. 45. And the same is happening in. And you must have observed, you must have known the reason why we are applying pesticides. What is the reason of pesticides? To avoid microbial attack on them, right? Yeah. See, read this table. Citrus cancer caused by, somebody stand up. Citrus cancer. Last page. Citrus cancer caused by bacteria. What's the name of that? Xanthomonas citriae. And mode of transmission? A. And figure also you can see. And next one, red rot caused by fungi. Red rot caused by fungi. You know, right? If you open some sugar cane, you can see red line like this. That is fungi. Don't eat such kind of sugar cane. Mode of transmission, A is seedling. How it transfers through seedling? No. What is the seedling for Yeah, exactly. Stand up. Seedling for sugarcane is stem itself. We'll cut the stem and we'll put it in soil. So wherever that stem is having this fungi, the same kind of offspring will come. The offspring will, yeah, offspring will, fungi will come again. Yeah, sit down. Next one, Tika disease. Wait, somebody stand up. Tika disease in groundnut caused by fungi. What is the causative organism? Huh? Air and seeds are mode of transmission. What is the, okay, fungi, fine. Someone from that row. Tobacco mosaic caused by, yeah, name of virus is that tobacco mosaic virus. And mode of transmission? Insect. And last one? Smut disease in rice. Caused by fungus? Mode of transmission is it clear? Which are resistant to these kind of diseases. This did a kind of experiment in which the plant itself can fight with microorganisms. What is that type of plant? Huh? That type of plants are transgenic. Transgenic plants. How these transgenic plants are made? How these are prepared? See, I already told you concept of antibiotics. In antibiotics, what will happen? One bacteria or one microorganism will kill other microorganism. So what these people did? They took genome of this killing microorganism and they implemented this in genome of plant. See, this is genome of plant, for example. This is how genome looks. And this is microorganism genome. They cut this genome from here, they took part of this and they added this to here. So that it will develop a properties like to create chemicals that can kill the disease causing microorganisms. Is that clear? These kind of plants are called transgenic plants. Okay, let us quickly recall what we discussed in this class. Now on stand up and what is pasteurization? No. Okay, storing it for long time. But how it is done? Okay, sit down. Ask your friend. Ask your friend how it is done. Yeah, very good. For boiling it for 30 minutes. At what temperature?
70.
Very good, very good. Now, somebody from here. What is transgenic plants? Emmanuel. Transgenic plants.
That means one plant,
Yeah, we will take genome of microorganism and we will implement, we will develop it in.
and another plant.
Very good. In the plant, so that it will produce chemicals which can kill the disease causing microorganisms. Is that clear? Right? 5 plant diseases caused by microorganisms. You can ask your parents. How many of your parents are farmers here? Farmers. Very good number. You can ask your parents and write. Okay? Write 5 plant diseases. Even if it is in Telugu, that's okay. Clear? Yeah. About others, you can even search in internet also. Okay, very good. Okay, thank you all.
Thank you, sir.